Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Kick the Problem. I'm your one and only Shivam back again with a new video on a linked list. Today we are going to solve a problem in which we have to find nth element from the end of a linked list. Now let's see how to solve this problem. So guys, to explain this question properly, I have taken same examples from the question only. In first example, we can see in the given linked list there are 9 elements from 1 to 9. And we have to print second element, that is n is equals to 2 given over here, second element from the end. So in this linked list, first element from the end is 9 and second element is 8. That's why it is printed 8 over here. In second example, we have to print fifth element from end, but there are only 4 elements in this linked list, so we cannot print anything. But in this case we have to print -1 according to the question. If the number of nth node is greater than the number of nodes in the given linked list. If we see the solution of this problem, my solution consists of 3 steps. In first step, I will find the number of nodes by using a while loop. In second step, I will use a if statement in which I will check whether the number of nodes is less than n. If yes, I will print -1. Why it is so? Like you can see over here, if it is said to print fifth element but there are 4 elements, so that we cannot print, that's why we will print -1. Else, if this condition is false, we will print count minus n plus 1 element, 1th element. What does it mean? Let's see over here. Like if there are 6 elements in the given linked list and we have to print third element from end. So third element, first element is 6, second element is 8, third element is 9, so that we have to print 9 over here. First of all, we'll use while loop and find the number of elements, that is number of nodes in this linked list, that is 6. So I will write count is 6, and then after second step I will check n is greater than count. N means 3. 3 is greater than 6. No, that is false. Now if condition is false, we will go to else. In else part, what is the count is 6, and what is n? N is 3 plus 1, that is equals to 6 minus 3 plus 1, that is 4. That means if we print fourth element from first, like first, second, third, fourth, if we print fourth element from first, that is equals to the third element from end. This concept I will use over here. I will use just a for loop. I will traverse from first element to count minus n plus 1 element, and I will print that element. How I will do that? Let's see the code of this problem. So guys, as I told you before, first of all I will initialize 2 pointer and 1 counter. 1 pointer is for using while loop to find the number of nodes, and 1 pointer to use in for loop. Node temp1 is equals to head. In the same way, second pointer node temp2 is also equals to head, and 1 counter int count. I'm using this, I'm initializing to find the number of nodes, while temp1 not equals to null. Temp1 is equals to temp1 dot next. It will help to traverse the linked list. In every loop I will increase the count by 1. Count is equals to count plus 1. Now from this we can get the number of nodes in the given linked list, that will be stored in count. After that I will use a if condition. As I told you, if n is greater than count, then what we have to do? We have to print -1. So that I will return here -1. else if this condition is false, that means in else I will use a for loop to print the nth element. I will start from first. Int I is equals to 0, I less than count minus n plus 1, and I will increase I by 1 in every loop, every iteration. And then after we will iterate, means we will traverse this linked list from starting to count minus n plus 1, and we will print the, that means we will return the temp.data. Whenever the pointer goes to the count minus n plus 1, it will return that. Let's compile our code. You can see guys, it is the same example, and there are 9 elements in the linked list, and it is set to print second element, that is 8 from the int. Let's submit our code. Finally our code is correct. If you like our videos, please like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. In future I will be uploading many these kinds of problems related to DSN algo. Thank you, bye bye.